morning, all of you. What are Kerala tourism? I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you for accepting our invitation and coming over here to attend this function. Thanks to the media for supporting us in making Kerala a sought-after destination. Kerala tourism has planned increased numbers for B2B partnership needs in various cities like Hyderabad, Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Chandigarh, Delhi, and Jaipur. This summer,
ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause. जीवन चुपचाप नहीं, जोर से होना चाहिए. आपकी तालियों का शोर होना चाहिए. With this beautiful lamp lighting morning.
English, okay. Everyone ready?
Yes, ready.
Ready, everyone?
Ready.
Roll.
I am Sadish from Kerala Tourism. As part of marketing strategy, we came here with 46 numbers of private partners. They are well in the tourism industry. And likewise in India, we arrange 6 numbers of B2B meets, like this type of partnership meets in major cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Delhi, Jaipur, etc. And this time we mainly target for the domestic, particularly the domestic tourists from the school holidays and the audience from the families. Mainly concentrated on the northern part of Kerala. You know that in Kerala, in the central part of Kerala, most famous for the Gujarati people for the as a tourist place. This time we spend much more infrastructure to the tourist people, particularly in the northern region, like Kasthuri in Kasaragod, Kannur is famous for the Theyyam and such things. And the Wayanad district is famous for the hill station. They have it's a land of spices and adventure tourism. Every activities are in Wayanad district. I request all of you must visit the northern part of Kerala this time.
What are the expectations from Gujarat?
Gujarat is a major destination. Kerala for the Gujarat is a major destination. The last year, 3+ lakhs of Gujarat people visit Kerala.
What are
How is
the
the situation at Wayanad?
Wayanad situation, that is what the situation was only in the monsoon time only a few days. And everything has stopped.
which are the unexplored places this time for non-tourists?
There is so many lesser destinations are in Kerala, particularly in the northern region. That is some hill stations, some spicy land, and experiencing a countryside where everything is now a neutral to the tourists.
Sir, what is the tourist flow?